head metal.
All right. Yeah, I want to get some of this, and then that's your. Now tell me you built that your Torino in for 6970.
Yeah, I built that thing in 70 or 71, 70 I guess, because 71 was the first year we ran it.
Okay.
It ran at Daytona and ran there in Charlotte up to about 74, something like that.
Okay. It's like a 68 or 9.
It was a 68 Torino,
Okay.
but I changed it to a 69 Mercury Cyclone.
Okay.
But I'd put a nose back on it, but I can't find no sheet metal.
Okay. For Mercury,
Yeah,
we'll do some looking.
yeah. Well, most of you find if it's good stuff, hey, they want a mint for it.
Well, like I said, we'll do some looking. So
Yeah, I got the old Torino stuff.
good deal. All right. Well, this is 427 medium res here at Thackston's. You crank it up, said it's ready to go. So whenever you're ready to crank it up. Rhett Thackston.